Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products on the market today.
And folks, have I got a game changer for all you indoor gardeners out there? Introducing the Spider Farmer 2024 new EVO SF1000 LED Grow Light, the ultimate hydroponic lighting system that's taking the indoor gardening world by storm.
Now, what makes the Spider Farmer SF1000 stand out from the rest?
Let's dive into the details.
First up, let's talk about performance.
Equipped with cutting-edge Samsung LM301H EVO LEDs, this grow light boasts unparalleled efficiency, outshining even the most renowned chips in the industry. With an impressive efficiency rating and a full spectrum of light, your plants will thrive at every stage of growth. But don't just take my word for it.
Customers are raving about the SF1000's performance.
From impressive growth rates to healthier plants, this lighting system delivers results.
And speaking of results, let's talk energy efficiency. The Spider Farmer SF1000 consumes minimal power while delivering intense light output.
Say goodbye to sky-high electricity bills and hello to sustainable, eco-friendly gardening.
But wait, there's more. Installation is a breeze with the SF1000.
Thanks to its user-friendly design and adjustable dimming feature, you can easily customize the light intensity to meet your plant's specific needs.
So there you have it, folks.
The Spider Farmer 2024 new EVO SF1000 LED Grow Light is not just a game changer. It's the best hydroponic lighting system on the market today.
Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this light will take your indoor garden to new heights. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews of top-tier products like the Spider Farmer SF1000. Until next time, happy gardening!